Money is not about how much you earn, it's about how long you can survive without earning. Most people spend years increasing their income but never spend time learning how to manage it. That's why salary increases but stress also increases. The first rule of money is simple. If you don't control your expenses, your income will never be enough. Before investing anywhere, you must know three numbers clearly: your monthly expenses, your emergency savings, and your long term goals. If you don't have at least 6 months of expenses saved, you are financially vulnerable, no matter how good your salary looks. Next comes debt. Not all debt is bad, but uncontrolled debt is dangerous. If EMI takes more than 30 to 35% of your income, your financial freedom is already compromised. Credit cards are not extra income, they are delayed expenses. Use them only if you can pay the full amount every month. Otherwise, interest quietly eats your future income. Now, let's talk about investing. Investment is not about quick returns, it is about consistency and patience. You don't need complex products to build wealth. You need regular investing, time in the market, discipline during market ups and downs. Avoid investing based on social media tips, especially. They are like seriously not good. Friends, success stories, fear of missing out. If you don't understand an investment, don't put your money in it. Finally, understand this: money gives you options, not happiness. Options to handle emergencies, to make choices, and to live without constant financial anxiety. Start small, be consistent, and think long term, because money mistakes don't hurt immediately, they hurt slowly. And by the time people realize it, it's often too late. So, if this video added value, share it with someone who needs clarity about money. So, guys, thank you so much. Do subscribe my channel Anand Goenka Vlogs, and sayonara.